Good morning, Andy here with Expert Renovation. Today we're on a project for one of our clients. They've had some real poor roofing work done over the years. This is a rental house, so they asked us to please come and fix a chimney that has had a lot of work on it. It simply just won't stop leaking. So what we're going to do, since it's inactive, Claudio's taking the brick down below the roof deck. We're going to redeck things, some self-adhered leak barrier, put the shingles back. It's not going to be an exact match, but they just need it to stop leaking. I will keep you posted as we progress. As always, thank you for watching, and please give us a call if we can help you with your roofing problems. 478-501-0102. Have a great day.